This one is a 1926 Underwood Bank 3. Bank 3 because it's got 3 rows of keys here, and the key faces also have 3 rows. So to use those functions, you got a figure and a cap, and they both lock. You can see the figure will type all the numbers, and the symbols just brings the carriage up higher so it hits the bottom portion of that key. The cap will bring it up half as high and hit the middle portion, and then when you have it without anything, it's just the lowercase. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This is a very compact machine. It's like very short lengthwise because of the only three rows. It's got a case that comes with it, and it locks just like that. It doesn't have a handle, but it's like really tiny. Pretty cool machine. I'm gonna load the paper. This one only has front rollers. This model does not have back rollers, so you gotta push it in a little bit and then it feeds normally. To set the margins, you got them back here. You just hit them with your finger like that. This is actually the margin. It's got a bell on it, so that's pretty cool. It's got paper tray holders here. Use those. Bring it to the beginning of the margin. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space lever, brings it back to the beginning, and it skips one line. That was actually all the keys in lowercase. So to hit the figure, you just use you hit the numbers with that, with the caps. Just all capital letters here. And then we'll type a sentence. It's really cool typing on this because all the letters are real close to each other, so you don't have to go far to find them. You can actually use this as a daily typer. It's an old one, but it types real nice and it prints real nice. I'm going to show you how to use the rest of the functions. Take the paper out, push those down. It's got a backspace that works good. It's got a ribbon direction control, so you flip it to that side and it'll pull to that side. As you can see, it's pulling, and you flip it that side and it'll pull to that side. This is your line space. Space is one line and it'll bring you back to the beginning. You switch it down and it'll skip 2 spaces. So that's what that does. That's about it. Pretty simple, compact, nice typewriter, really rare. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.